Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can make a music playlist on YouTube. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show you how. First of all, you need to find a song. So let's find a song, let's say this one here. And once you find your first song, what you need to do here is to press on save button here, and then you need to press create a new playlist. And then you can give it a title, for example, music. Then you can change visibility. You can change public, unlisted, and private. So with private only you can view, with public anyone can search for a playlist and look. For unlisted, anyone with the link can view, right? In this case, I will go private, and also you can collaborate with other people here. And then press create. So now our playlist is created and the first song is added. So if I want to add another song to that particular playlist, I just need to open up that particular song and then press on save here, and then we will have music playlist and we can add it, right? So that's pretty much it, how you can create a playlist. And if you want to find it, that particular playlist, you just need to press 3 horizontal lines on the top left. Then you need to scroll down until you see a playlist, and then here you will see your music playlist here. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.